Harar Mahadev to all. So today we are going to texture this door. In the last video we have watched how we can create this door, so we'll turn into this today. First of all, let me hide this one, and I have already modeled this in the last video, so I will use that one. And for texture, go into the shading tab. I have already set it up, and today I'm going to explain you how can you apply the same, and you can check my values. If you want to copy those values, you can copy those values, else you can experiment by yourself. I also experimented lots and I found this one is nice for me. So as of now it's not showing you any type of texture because I have not connected yet. So for that you have to select this one and then select the texture from this menu. Same goes for the door. You have to select, but as of now you can see there is no dirt pattern or no noise pattern here basically because I have not connected the noise texture. Once you will connect this with the color ramp, then you can see it's giving you noise, and if you are removing this then there is no noise. Noise texture can be used for many purpose, it can be used. So if you want to play around with these values, you can use or you can experiment as if you will move this one from left to right. In that case you will gain the noise pattern most, but the right panel if you go from right to left then you will reduce. So here are two nodes basically in the color ramp, you can play around with that. For the frame, the material setup is bit different. I am going to delete this. What's this basically? I will press Ctrl T, then you will see how it will connect automatically because I have Node Wrangler add-on available. So what is this and how and why I am using this, I will explain in the next video or in another video. You can play around with these values. There is no such kind of a perfect way to make a texture. It's all about experimenting. I or any other modeler can give you guidance. There is no any type of trick. That's all about experimentation. The more you will make experiments, more you will learn, as I am doing in this video. Okay, so you can check the pattern or you can check my node setup. So in the render preview you can see how it's looking. Okay, so we'll see how the proper render is looking. So now click on the render image, and yes, it's looking nice. Okay, it's EV, not cycles. You can use any of the render engine of your choice, either EV or cycle, but both works differently. So that's it for this video. Okay, in the next video I'll show you another example for the another modeling tip. Okay, so it's Blender 5.2 version, which is LTS, and please like and subscribe if you really like it. Support me. I'll see you in the next video. Har Har Mahadev.